Money Gang, what's up, man? How y'all doing? This your boy Money Man, Letrent Hill. If you don't know who I am, my name is Letrent Hill. I'll show you guys how to make money online. As you can see, got my hair down today, man. Got it chopped up not too long ago. Used to be like down here, so, you know, I'm not cutting my hair again. It's so short, man. Like I said, I got long hair, man. Trying to be like, what's his name? Maui from Moana. Demigod. But okay, guys, today I'm going to give you guys 8 reasons why you should join $25.1up, okay? Number 1, it's beginner friendly, okay? So what that means is this is an opportunity that I feel like anybody could join in and start making money due to the fact that it's not hard at all. There's not really much to follow, and the training is all included versus you going to sign up somebody and then wanting to get training for your sponsor. But with this opportunity, they got training inside the system before you start making money right out the bat. 2, you get paid every day, okay? Like I said, when you make a sign up, you're gonna get paid that same day. Paid every day. You get 5 sign-ups in 5 days, gonna get paid every day, all 5 days, instantly, all right? There's no monthly fee, okay? And that is that's like 9% of why people sign up for 25.1up is because when you have a one-time fee and you don't have to pay no monthly fee, that encourages people to, you know, make their money back right then and there instead of worrying about you have to make that money back every single month just for some fact that you have to pay a monthly fee. But if you just have a one-time fee and it's really not a big fee, that'll encourage you to, even though you didn't make no money this month, you still got the next month. You don't have to worry about no front fee. But of course, you making money online, you want to make your ROI as quick as you can so that you can start making your money back. So with this system, you do make your money back your first sale, but you don't start making profit until your third sale, because your second sale goes up to your sponsor, then that third sale goes to you, okay? This is a low-cost setup. Like I said, you need to get in for $25 or you can get in for $100. Those are the 2 options I recommend until you guys start making money. Just for the simple fact that as a lot of people have $25, a lot of people have $100. If you really don't have that type of money, check out my video on how to turn $5 into $1,200. That's for you guys that really don't have no money. But if you guys have $25, $100, you should be able to get in, no problem, and make some money. It shouldn't be that hard at all because it's pretty cheap and it's a one-time fee. You're not paying a monthly fee, okay? It's a great residual income. You do start signing people up. Like I said, you will be making money every day. But not only that, but when somebody else you sign up starts making money, like I said, that second sale goes to that sponsor. So if you sponsor somebody and they get to their second sale, that money's going up to you too. So that's residual income right there. So you got 5 people. You signed up for $100 this week. Then next week, they all signed up 5 people. Or no, those 5 people signed up 2 people for $100. You get an extra $500 because you signed up those people and they signed up people. So their second sale goes to you. So that's pretty cool. 100% commission, so you're gonna get paid all your money. Whatever they sign up with, you're gonna get paid that. It's 100% commission. Plain and simple. This system is instant pay, so you're gonna get paid instantly. So if you sign up somebody at 10:02, you will get that money at 10:03. So this is instant payment. It's gonna come right then and there. All you have to do is go inside the system and go confirm your payment. Then it's gonna get sent straight to your PayPal. Or if you have a PayPal card, you get sent straight to your PayPal card, and you have the money right then and there. So instant pay, that's really good. Autopilot. So Autopilot is pretty self-explanatory. All of us want to be lazy and not want to do anything. So by getting into this system, you will be able to have an autopilot opportunity, which means all you have to do is pick the capture page that you want, get your link. You can mask your link if you want to and put it in front of people. That's all you have to do. You want paid traffic, you have free traffic. It's totally up to you. But if you got it in front of people, you will make money. okay? So it's really not hard. Everything is set up for you to make money. For a beginner, get paid quick, get paid a lot, get paid every day, and be able to make money, you know? So with that being said, I will have the link down in the description if you guys want to get started. Or if not, I got plenty of other money making opportunities for you guys on the channel. I do have other videos coming soon, so just be on the lookout for that. I got some videos downloaded right now on my laptop right now as we speak, so be on the lookout for those videos. But yeah, other than that, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. I really do appreciate it. I'm so grateful for the fan base that I have now. So yeah, you guys are the best. Money Gang. All right, y'all be easy. I'm just chilling today. Have a good day. Peace.